What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick I'm going to share with you guys one of the product. It's really important to me and I need it so badly, so I purchased this. Yes! So I have Comica CVM-V30 Pro. Yeah, microphone. Where's the microphone? Who took the microphone? God damn! So I have the microphone here, Comica CVM-V30 Pro microphone. I recently purchased for around $53. Now before purchasing this microphone, I was thinking about picking up a Voya MM1 shotgun. That's a mini microphone. I kind of like that microphone. And also Rode video mic microphone, shotgun microphone also. But then I was like, you know what? I don't want to be like everyone else. I want to be different, and that's why I picked up a Comica CVM-V30 Pro microphone, because I'm a pro, I'm a professional. At least that's what I think. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, so you guys can see this microphone here, and before we start this video, I just want to clear, you guys are hearing me right now from the Panasonic Lumix G7 internal microphone, and because I want to show you guys the difference between the Panasonic Lumix G7 internal microphone versus this microphone. So real quick, I'll mount this microphone and test for you guys, and also I will try and see if I can take the camera outside and test so you guys can hear the background, maybe wind noise and stuff. But today it's kind of raining. It's such a bad day. I hate rainy day. You know, like I can deal with rain. I want summer. I want beach. I want to be in Miami. You know, I want to be in like Cancun. Cancun.
Look at this.
Cancun. Bit. Oh, all right. We're back. All right. So I don't know. This microphone is a good microphone. I've been using this microphone for almost like 4 or 5 days. I did record some video and stuff. You guys will see soon. And today I was like, you know what? I should make video about this microphone because it's a pretty good microphone. Now the price for this microphone is around $53. So I believe the Voya MM1 microphone is around $29. It's a pretty good microphone. And also Rode video microphone is around $59, and this one is $53. Now this microphone is basically competing those other two budget microphone, and only thing I didn't like about this microphone versus the Voya and the Rode microphone, so this microphone need a 2 AAA battery. Now why I didn't like this part, because how about if this battery dies and you know, I'm recording an important video and I'm done recording, and after I'm done recording there is no voice. Oh my god, imagine, you know, I'm not that stupid. I will always like change the battery and stuff, but I wanted something different. Now what I like about this microphone does come with 2 switch in the back. So the first switch on the top, basically if you're recording outside and there's a lot of wind going on, you slap on that dead cat on the mic, and then you turn that switch on for the background noise. The background noise will reduce, and then you also have another switch. It's a power switch. You also can add plus 10 decibel to it, so it's a pretty good switch. Also you can take this filter off and you can throw it, the other one, or the dead cat one, on. Also you guys can see the microphone does come with a very good shock mount. It's really flexible. This microphone is a great microphone if you're planning on like running around shooting blog videos and stuff. And it does come with the cold shoe mount, so you can easily mount this microphone to any DSLR camera or regular camera. The cable is pretty long and it's flexible, so you are not going to damage the cable easily. Also does come with a 3.5 jack, so this microphone should work with any camera support 3.5 jack. Now you can easily open the battery cover and replace the battery. All you have to do is just press it, just press and slide back, and you can see the 2 AAA battery here. Now this microphone doesn't come with AAA battery, so you have to buy your battery separate. And once you put some new batteries in this microphone, you should be good for a long time. But remember, every time you are done recording your video and you are not using the camera, just turn off the switch so you can save some battery life. Alright guys, so the first test, basically I'm testing inside my room right now. I just mount the Comica B30 Pro microphone to my Lumix G7 camera, and I just have the power switch on. I didn't set the switch to plus 10 decibel, just on regular setting, and also I didn't touch the background noise switch either, because I feel like only time I need to turn that switch on if I'm outside and there is like wind noise and stuff. So the distance from the microphone to like where I'm sitting, basically the distance is around 3.5 feet. So no, I'm not sitting too far. And also Panasonic Lumix G7 have a very good audio profile setting by default, so you don't have to play around with any setting. You can just plug and play. Alright guys, I really wanted to go outside and test this microphone outside, like, you know, somewhere in park or maybe near the road and stuff, but the weather is so bad and it's been like this for a couple days. I couldn't test. I'm really sorry, but you guys can see indoor this microphone perform pretty well. And if you guys like this microphone, there will be a link in the video description for like Amazon. You guys can definitely check out. And if you do like this video, if you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Alright guys, see you guys next one. Peace.